Okay, so the question is how to build or bring a voomly video in vertical size. So the first thing is that the video need to be in vertical because voomly gonna display what it has. So if we see here, I have a video that is on vertical size.
Why this child can play video games.
Then the first thing that I'm gonna do is you have the link for the video or you have the embedded. Always try to go first for the link for the video. And as you're gonna see here, I'm gonna just rebuild this whole thing. But what we have in here is that we have, let's say, a 2-column row, and specifically, I'm putting a flex container so I can control the size of how big or small do I want it. And I'm gonna show you why. So I'm gonna add a new section. Let me just add a new section here. I can build everything from scratch. And then in here, you add a row. If I add just a single row and I add the video player, let me just leave this one. I'm gonna add it here. And I add a video player. One is big, and I'm gonna put here the voomly video. You're gonna see that the video end up being gigantic. You see, put it because it's taking all the space and it's growing automatically. So we don't want that. So then what can you do? We can add right here a flex container. When you add the flex container, now the difference is that I can come into the flex container and change the size. You see here, this is size. I can change this to pixels. And now I can make this smaller or big. And now when I bring this, you see, I can control the way it looks. So all that ClickFunnels is doing is displaying the video that Voomly is sending. So the first step is your video in Voomly need to be in 16:9. You see, I didn't have to change anything else. Hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.